The bodies of 4 young men have been found dumped in Mogadishu's beach, with another reportedly missing since Thursday when they went swimming in Lido Beach. Some of these young people were among the graduates of this year's matriculation exams, graduating from high schools across the country. The families of the youths have been patrolling Lido Beach since the day of the incident, seeking to find the whereabouts of their children who are believed to have drowned due to rough seas. 3 of their bodies were found on Thursday, while another was washed up on the beach earlier today. The 5th person is still missing with no trace of their bodies. The deceased youths, who were said to be friends and members of Yaxhead Football Club District, went to the beach on Thursday to pose for pictures on social media. However, some later recommended swimming on the beach, which resulted in part of them being swept away by the high tides. The parents of the youngster have accused the government of not taking responsibility for the safety of hundreds of young Somalis who flock to swim in Lido every day to cool off from the heat of the sun. It estimated that at least 2 people drown every week in Lido Beach.